Assalamualaikum and hi, especially to Madam Azmahani. I am Ashika Hanisminti Rosli and I'm from D2BE 25068. And today I would like to present about industrial training presentation for AFA Group. So these are the table of contents for this presentation. Firstly, I will explain about company's profile and then the training's reflection. Second last is about the SWOT analysis for AFA Group, and lastly is the discussion and recommendation based on the SWOT analysis. So first of all, let me explain a little bit of company's background. So AFA Group is a private company involved in manufacture and an automated equipment designer, aiming on serving the cloth packaging industry in testing and packaging solution. AFA Group is located in Taman Teknologi Ting, Melaka Tengah, Melaka. AFA Group was established in 1995 and is divided into two companies, which are AFA Technologies and AFA Pack. So as you can see, the vision of AFA Group is we are dedicated to be preferred automation partners to our valued customers in packaging industry, while their mission is we are committed to help the medical industries to be more productive and effective through our automation technologies. So there are 5 objectives from AFA Group. As you can see, AFA Group has become an important supporter of many local and international companies providing reliable and custom and line automated packaging solution for glove, medical devices, and FMCG. As you can see, this is a organization chart of AFA Technologies in Berhad, and there are a few of the department shown. There are 4 types of machine that is made by AFA Group, which are glove, medical, FMCG, and end-of-line packaging solution. So these are example of the machine made by AFA Group. The first one is in a wrapper packing machine, servo version with by 4 pack, and the second one is slip test machine for glove pinhole detection and sorting detection. In this part, I will explain about training's reflection. So my working day is from Monday to Friday, and I'm also working at first every Saturday, but first week of the month. So my working hours is from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. The duration of my industrial training is 24 weeks. I started from 20th February and finish on 12th of August. So I was assigned under supply chain department as a purchasing trainee. during internship, I realized, I finally realized which part is my strength and which part is my weakness. When I analyze my strength and weakness, this will help me to improve better in the future. During the internship, I have gained few experience such as dealing with new people and adapting to new teams and working environment. Dealing with new people means that I have to communicate with the supplier and also the engineer. As an introvert, it is kind of hard for me because I rarely communicate with someone new. But when I'm doing the internship in this AFA group, um, this uh, uh, this will help improve my communication skills because I have to communicate with, especially with the supplier, no matter using WhatsApp or email or call. So this will help me. This will help me improve my communication skills. Other than that, I also experience in adapting to new teams and working environment. Um, the working environment is a little bit different from my experience because especially the culture, maybe because I, I rarely it's not rarely this is my first time working in office, so adapt it. I have to adapt it very well. The teams is very nice, very generous. But at first, I was shy to communicate with them, and after a few months, I already comfortable and it is easy to work with them. So these are the SWOT analysis for Alpha Group. The strength of Alpha Group is expert management staff and quality of the product. The weaknesses of Alpha Group is delay in material supply and the inefficiency of the production process leads to waste and high costs. The opportunity that I can see for Alpha Group is technologies advancement and industry's growth potential. And the threat for Alpha Group is strong competitor and price of raw material increase. So in this slide, I will explain details about the strengths. So the first strength is expert management staff. Alpha Group have many excellent staff with different education background and experience that is good for companies organizations. Since Alpha Group is a manufacturing company, emphasized in making machine, the experience and education background the company only choose workers that is related to the position based on the experience and education background. So every department have HOD, and the HOD is play important role to manage the department wisely. From my observation, in supply chain department, the HOD manage the department effectively to guide the team. So, in order to make an improvement, Alpha Group can sustain the strength by building expert power in management staff. Expert power is one of the positive power that is long lasting and it gives more confident result. Expert power is about maintain your expertise and show to people around you. So the second strength for Alpha Group is quality of the product. There are many types of machine made by Alpha Group, and every machine is made based on order received from customer. Each machine have their own specification. For the material and spare part, Alpha Group will ensure the originality of the material because if the material is not original, many problems will occur, such as machine will not turn on, not run smoothly, and many more. After the machine is ready, process and QC department will run the machine and make sure that the machine is free from defects. Then customers will come visit the factory. When the machine meets the customer expectation, they will proceed to send the machine to the customers. AFA Group can implement a quality management system (QMS) to help the organization achieve high quality results. It involves making plans to guarantee the design and products meet a certain benchmark. The quality management system sometimes can also depends on the industry. So these are the two weaknesses in AFA Group. First is delay in material supply. Manufacturing projects often experience delay, and one of the causes is related to shortage and delay of material. Alpha Group also facing the same problem related to the material supply. Some suppliers delay the delivery because of they are having problem with workforces, delay due to lockdown in certain country, and poor planning and scheduling. To overcome this weakness, Alpha Group should make agreements that give benefit to both sides. In order to ensure that the delay in material supply will not affect it too much, Alpha Group can include a liquidated damage provision in the supplier arrangement. So the second weaknesses is the inefficiency of the production process leads to waste and high cost. Alpha Group receive order for different category of machine, and many materials will be ordered to assemble the machine. Sometimes engineer or technician will make mistakes during the assembly of the machine, and some items will be damaged. To improve manufacturing efficiency, Alpha Group should implement the cellular manufacturing. Cellular manufacturing involves grouping similar process to increase efficiency. A standardized set of tasks is assigned to each cell in the methodology which divides workspace into cells. Even though each cells may be equipped with multiple employees, the ability to focus on a single task improve the consistency and quality. These are the opportunities of Alpha Group, which is technologies advancement and industry's growth potential. Technology investment, especially in Malaysia, will help the company to grow since Alpha Technologies products mostly involve fake technologies. When there is a change in technologies, the company also will have to adapt it and make it easy for them to make the machine better. When adapting with technologies investment, Alpha Group should give training for their employees to adapt with the technologies investment. When they learn more about the technology, this will help the companies, will help the organization to grow and the technology will efficiently use. So the second opportunities in industry's growth potential, um, um, as we uh, as we know, um, manufacturing and automotive industry in Malaysia is growing rapidly, and this will help Alpha Group to become more popular, specialized in their expertise in making machine. So this will help Alpha Group to growth, and the company will expanding more in the market. So the last SWOT analysis is threats. So there are two threats for Alpha Group, which is strong competitor and price of raw material increase. The strong for the first point is strong competitor because since Alpha Group is specialized in making making machine. There are many factories in Malaysia that also making the same machine, such as there are many companies that make machine. So the Alpha Group will have to compete with them, and they have to make sure that they have competitive advantage, so that they can step up into another level. So the second threat is price of raw material increase. Rising of raw material may be one of the biggest challenge facing, especially after the COVID-19. The price of raw material since November 2020 have increased significantly. So Alpha Group can lessen the impact by change the lower cost of material if possible. So Alpha Group have to recognize all factors involved when considering changing your product's materials. As an example, switching from carbon steel to stainless steel will cut costs, but maybe not be able to enjoy the same corrosion protection. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening.